Bun pipai pak semak pipai use kasi mentak si dia si kubak mentam ya ki nak school jong ke jala ki belayuk menteri stom makai usut menteri stom ki hadin baka embos dengan kata education kalau dak pelak ya kat resort menteri jong sem ajar absen SSLC yang ulah pelak menang step kalau uji nak office jong curah kalau kita pada jong ka education yang mentangi dan akan ni ka school semoga higher secondary school sampai kau bagi kau ini ki school top 20 ki badan aku nyomot ki kena school ki bapas pakai ni ke school kalau pak cheese pak remote ki kena school baru ki paslut bahan nyomot bat kadai tu na kajing la ban strict kimi ki pa bakijaan siam jam kinu hikai bat kumju ki bajang apa bat ki badang jadi sungka angin sengap kinjat ya kini jiklan jong ni ka kena bat kumju ya kinong hikai ki balai mensim fisu kawi kur stana bakani kena ka ongka L.Agarwal ong wa kani ka CM impact guidebook ka ba laplat ba dangsen pan ajum ta ki kena ni kai tu kam dan jembut ban pe ya kani CM guidebook mat kapen bakla ki kena malari kena basta tu kami guidebook hoi kai harap boy lah handai dang bun ki jingdula tentangi sap kenjat.
Ranchita Paul, and I've recently appeared the SSLC exam. I got the 6th rank.
Now during the exam time you prefer to study from the guidebook na from
Deciding to take humanities and go for different government exams and civil services exam. Probably I'll crack. If I crack one, then I'll want to become an IAS officer. So my message is to trust in yourself, trust in God, and do your work without distraction, wholeheartedly. That's the message. The education in Meghalaya has improved gradually these years. The pass percentage has increased, and I think in near future I see a bright future for Meghalaya. Guidebook, as we know, the CM guidebook was given to all, but I think that you should study your book first, then that guidebook, because whatever is in the book is in the guidebook, but the book is always better. So I think I studied the book only. This is very wrong conception. Google is actually our helper. If we need any help, it will help us, but it cannot be our father.
Gadgets for artificial intelligence will be installed.
Okay. And ma'am, your name?
I'm Maria Ali Thapa.
Just how do you feel that your student had been passed into top list of 30?
Oh, I feel elated, excited. I'm very happy for them.
You can elaborate more on your behalf of your student. They had excited and secured more marks and their dedication to the school. What is the vision of the school of the future student?
Our vision, as you have seen, it is to educate persons with character and competence to build a civilization of love. So we not only work for competence but also character. So our girls are good in all and they have done well.
We have seen the school day by day you have it increased the student, even the thoughts of the student. What is the mindset of the school? Would you like to promote the student in another way? So, because in a state we less the bureaucrats.
Yeah. So most of them will be going for IAS exams and things like that. So we not only encourage them to become doctors or engineers, but we ask them to take part also in other activities like sports, okay, and co-curricular activities to spread their wings on other fields like artificial intelligence or solar energy, and also to take care of environment.
How do you see the scenario education here in the state now?
It has improved. We can see that with the CM Impact book, the students have done well. The pass percentage has increased. So it looks good. It looks positive right now.
I want to see from your aspect of the teachers, student, and the parents, which have come to collaborate with the school for the uplift the education.
Yeah, our teachers are excellent. they give their best. When we ask them to stay extra to do hard work, they willingly do it with so much of joy. And I can find that the teachers here are really hardworking, and students too. They love to be in the school to do various activities and all. So parents have no objection in taking extra classes even on Saturdays and holidays. So I'm very grateful for the hard work of parents, teachers, and students. Yes,
How many students pass?
106 of them.
Both of them they are pass.
We have 7 ranks, 7 positions. So it is 7 of them they have passed. And out of 106, everyone passed with the first division. To educate persons with character and competence to build a civilization of love. So we not only work for competence but also character. So our girls are good in all.
What's your name?
My name is Ranchita Paul, and I've recently appeared the SSLC exam. I got the 6th rank.
Now during the exam time, you prefer to study from the guidebook, not from your own talented. How do you feel that CM guidebook impact?
As per I see, the CM Impact guidebook should not be followed, and you should not follow the guidebook because there are plenty of mistakes. And also, we should first give preference to the book. Of course, the book has all the knowledge, and this guidebook is just a help. And the worst part is it has many mistakes also. So why follow the guidebook? You should always follow the book. Study from the beginning. You'll of course get good results.
This guidebook, it help for which type of people?
This guidebook, I'll say those who are in rural area and who don't get proper education there. So I think they can take help from the guidebook and pass the exams. But I think for schools in Shillong, and all the students, they should not follow because they have good teachers, they have good guidance. So CM guidebook is just unnecessary.
Now, what is the message would you like those students who use the guidebook but they have no time to read for the books which the teachers have been taught in school?
If they don't have time and the exam is nearing, okay, they can take the help from the guidebook, but take reference from the book as well. Because what you think is not correct, you need to study that from book because that's wrong. So the school has always guided us, helped us, and I think the teachers' participation as well as the students' participation brings success. It's not just one person, because even if the teacher teaches you and you don't study by yourself, you're not gonna get success. Always cleared our doubts. If we have any doubt, they are always ready to help. They have explained well, and yeah, the teachers here are brilliant. No, teachers if they want to be strict, they are doing it for our good, right? They're not doing it against any student. And I think strictness is very important because otherwise we'll get out of hand.
Can you elaborate more how you prepare your exam in the
My teachers helped me a lot and I was consistent, so I worked hard.
what are you plan to do now?
I'll pursue science.
Before you going for next class, what you feel about the CM Connect book is helpful?
Yes, it is really helpful. I think a lot came from there only.
Can you tell me your hobbies?
I love to do painting and I also have interest in dancing.
Or you go for extra seek help from the tuition?
I did take tuitions.
What are you going to do now? Would you go for higher study?
Yes, I will go for higher studies. I'll pursue science. I'll try for medical.